Welcome to e-learninggate, a complete digital platform that empowers schools with smart learning, digital assessments, and real-time analytics. Here's a quick look at what we'll cover in this presentation, from who we are to what we offer and how it's already making a real difference in schools like yours. The challenges today. Let's face it, traditional learning has limits. Students are heading into a digital world, yet classrooms remain paper-heavy. Teachers spend hours marking with little time left for feedback. There's no real-time data to support personalized learning, and by 2026, digital exams will be the new normal. Are we ready? Let us introduce ourselves. We're not just developers, we're educators, international examiners from Cambridge and Edexcel, with over 20 years of experience in classrooms. We've taught students from over 30 nationalities, and we know what schools truly need. e-learninggate is your dual-mode solution: learning and preparation mode, assessment and progress mode, and smart analytics to support real teaching. All this aligned with Cambridge, Edexcel, and national curricula. We provide topic-wise interactive presentations with auto-marked quizzes and fun game-based activities like crosswords and map games. Every slide is labeled with a cognitive level, and our questions, always aligned with assessment objectives like AO1, AO2, and AO3. Run full-scale digital mock exams, just like Cambridge and Edexcel papers 2, 4, and 6. Our auto-marking handles up to 80% of paper 4 and 6 questions. You save time while ensuring excellence. And yes, we help set up school-based digital exam centers. Every question analyzed using the Facility Index and Discriminative Index. You'll know what worked and what didn't. Plus, your reports, fully ready for ADEC, KHDA, and SPEA. This is not theory. It's tested, proven success. In just one school, we saved over 35,000 pages in 2 terms with Year 10 and Year 11 students. Across 4 subjects, schools using e-learninggate saw a 21% increase in A-star results. Teachers reported up to 70% reduction in marking time. Over 95% expressed higher engagement and clarity. The future is now. By 2026, Cambridge and Edexcel will be fully digital. UAE is going green in education. With e-learninggate, your school leads this shift, sustainably, successfully.
e-learninggate, empowering schools with smart, sustainable digital education. Contact us.